So the difference of squares is just another way of factoring, which is very easy. All it is that if we can write something as x squared minus a number squared, in this case I just put y, but if we can write that, then all the answer is going to be x plus y and x minus y. So what x plus a number, x minus a number. So what we have here is 4, and if you remember, a 4 is a perfect square. So we can rewrite this as x squared minus 2 squared. So since we have that, our answer would be x plus 2, x minus 2. Same thing with number 30. We can rewrite that as 6 squared. So our answer would be x plus 6, x minus 6. All right, next we have the square root property. So we want to solve this equation. And so the first thing that we want to do is we want to leave this by itself. So we're going to subtract both sides by 8. And we have x plus 3 squared is equal to negative 8. Now we are going to take the square root of both sides so we can get rid of that square. So we're going to have x plus 3 is equal to square root of negative 8 plus or minus. We're always going to write plus or minus next to that square root. So what we want to do is we want to simplify the square root, and we can do that by taking out negative 4 and the 2. And that negative will go by itself as negative 1. So now, if we take the square root of 4, that's 2, and the square root of negative 1, which is I, square root of 2 is equal to x plus 3. So now that we have that, we can just subtract 3 on both sides. Our answer is going to be negative 3 plus or minus 2i and the square root of 2.